Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Jishan Bukhari, senior English teacher. Today our lecture is about degrees of adjective, how to convert a positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. In our previous lecture, before proceeding forward to the lecture, I have to mention you that our today's lecture of class 7 English and our topic is degrees of adjective. Now there are some rules to change a positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. There are some rules and we have to follow so that we can easily convert the positive into comparative and superlative degrees. In our previous lecture, I have told you the definitions of positive, comparative and superlative. Now, we are here to change the positives into comparative and superlative by following these rules. We have number one rule is rules for comparing the adjective. We have number one rule is most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form. They are comparative by adding er. We have some adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form. They are comparative by adding er, and those positives will change comparative by adding er and change by superlative by adding est to the positive. Got it? Now we have some adjectives in this sense. In this table I have made a table for you so that I can change here with also meanings. By following this rule, we have to change this positive into comparative and superlative. Number one is sweet. You know sweet means meetha. Sweet means meetha. And its comparative is sweeter. And superlative is sweetest. Now number second is tall. Tall means lumber. Its comparative is taller. And superlative is tallest. Number third is bold. Bold means bahadur. Its comparative is bolder and superlative is boldest. Now number four is clever. Clever means chala. Comparative is cleverer and superlative is cleverest. Number 5, which is near. Near means kareeb. Its comparative is nearer and superlative is nearest. Soft means naram, softest. Slow. Next is slow. Slow means ahista, slower. Its comparative is slower and superlative is slowest. Warm. Warm means garam. Its comparative is warmer and superlative is warmest. Please, dear students, note down this table in your fair copy. Now, strong. Strong means mazboot. Stronger. Strong, mazboot, stronger, and superlative is strongest, and superlative is strongest. Dear means pyara. Its comparative is dearer, and superlative is dearest. Superlative is dearest. We have second rule is if positive degree ends in y, and remember this is important point, and y is preceded by a constant. I said that if a positive degree ends in y, and remember important point is the y is preceded by a consonant, not vowel. You know which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. I said that if y is preceded by a consonant, the y is changed into I and ER in the comparative, and EST into superlative. If the positive ends in y, which is y is preceded by a consonant, then the comparative will be I and ER, which is comparative, and adding EST, which is superlative. Now come to the table so that we can easily understand. Easy means asan. Its comparative is easier, and superlative is easiest. Happy means push, happier. Happier, happiest. Superlative is happiest. Number 1, heavy means vazni. Please students note down this all written work in your fair copy. Heavy, number 3 is heavy, vazni, heavier. Heaviest, superlative degree is heaviest. Dry means push, driest. Lazy means sus. Laziest. Superlative degree is comparative is lazier, and superlative is laziest. Now pretty means pyara, prettier, prettiest. Next is ugly means Vansura. Uglier. Comparative is uglier and superlative is ugliest. Next is wealthy. Wealthy means Amir. Wealthier. and also wealthiest. Busy means masroof, busier, and superlative degree is busiest. Holy means park, holier, and superlative degree is holiest. We have now rule number 3 is when positive ends in E. Remember, when the positive ends in E, by making comparative, you have to just add R, and superlative, you have to add a EST in front of E. Now, actual definition is when positive ends in E, only R is added in comparative and EST is added in superlative. You can see here in our table that fine means acha, umda, same thing, acha, finer. I have added just R by following the rule number 3. And superlative is finest. You can see here, if a positive ends in E, then you have to add EST in superlative. You can see here EST in superlative. Number second is noble. Noble means sheriff. In comparative, by following rule, you have to add R in front of E. R by making comparative and by making superlative, you have to add just EST, just ST. E is already there, then you have to add ST by making superlative. Close means very closer and closest. Wise, akalman, wiser, and superlative is wisest. Brave, bahadur, braver, bravest. Safe, महफूज, safer, and superlative is safest. Able, काबिल, comparative is abler, superlative is ablest. White, सफेद, whiter, whitest. True means sahi, truer, truest, and last one is polite, monosyllable. Politer, and politest. Remember, students, please copy in your fair copy. Behavior number 4 rule is irregular adjectives. That means the following adjectives are compared irregularly. We have table so that I am writing the meaning as well as comparative and superlatives. Your work is to consider this and copy this in your fair copy. We have number 1 is good. Good means acha, and its comparative is better, and its superlative is best. Bad, Bad means bura. Its comparative is worse, and superlative is worst. Little, chota. Less, and its superlative is least. Much means zyada. More, and superlative is most. Many means बहुत. Its comparative is same as much. That means its comparative is more, and superlative is most. In means under, inner. Comparative is inner, and superlative is innermost. Up means ऊपर. Upper, comparative is upper, and superlative is uppermost. Please, students, note down in your fair copy. Out means bahar. Outer, its comparative is outer, and its superlative is outermost. Hind means पीछे. Hinder, and hindermost. Superlative is hindermost. Far means दूर. Farther, farthest. These are our rule number 4, irregular adjectives. We have rule number 5, that is adjectives of 2 syllables ending in full or less, and adjectives of 3 syllables form their comparative by adding more, and superlative by adding most to the positives. Here is some examples I am going to write, but you have to write with me. Difficult means mushkil. Its comparative is more difficult, and superlative is most difficult. Beautiful, खूबसूरत. Beautiful, खूबसूरत. More beautiful, most beautiful. Popular, मशहूर. More popular. Its comparative is more popular, and superlative is most popular. Next is careful. Careful means मुहतात, एहतियात से. मुहतात, एहतियात से. Its comparative is more careful, most careful. Next is grateful. Grateful means you can say that शुक्रगुजार, शुक्र करने वाला. We are grateful by the Almighty Allah. शुक्रगुजार. More beautiful, most beautiful. Next is careless. Careless means लापरवाह. लापरवाह. Its comparative is more careless, and superlative is most careless. Useless means बेकार, किसी काम का नहीं. This pen is useless for me. बेकार. More useless, most useless. Handsome, खूबसूरत, most handsome. Most handsome. Most handsome. Cheerful means you can say that cheerful means खुश रहने वाला. More cheerful, most cheerful. Faithful means mukhlis. More faithful and most faithful. We have completed our today's topic, which is degrees of adjective and their rules, and we learned that how to make a comparative and superlative degrees of positive. After completing this topic, I will give you in your WhatsApp group the sheet of adjectives of positives, just positives. Then you have to complete it with meanings and also make comparative and superlative forms of that positives and send it to me. Then I will give you the star of the day. Then you will become the star of the week. For today, thank you. Allah Hafiz.